In this video, I will show you how I sharpen my images for social media, especially for Instagram, in Photoshop. First step is to resize your image. Resizing your image will prevent social media from compressing the image and lose pixel/resolution quality while uploading. I will leave an annotation for my resizing tutorial above. Create a stamp visible layer. That's Shift, Control, Alt, E for Windows or Shift, Command, Option, E for Mac. Then go into Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask. Set the setting for the amount anywhere between 50 to 100. Radius 1.0 and threshold 0. You can play around with the slider to suit your own taste, style, or whatever feels right for your image. There's also a sharpening method of using a 50% gray layer and a high pass filter, but I prefer using the unsharp mask. This image was for a campaign for Rockstar Beauty. I will leave a link in the description if you wish to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.